Welcome to the Organic Rose. Today is an episode about not wine, but water. And water is dear to our hearts, and it plays such an integral part in our lives. But we have to learn how to conserve during these intense droughts. I'm always asking folks to conserve many things like electricity, gas, and of course water. I'm going to share a few tips on how you can conserve water at home. Leaky faucets, shower heads, and hose bibs, those are the most common outlets where water's dripping. Take an adjustable wrench, we'll have one of these, and slowly tighten any loose parts and or replace the washers. Consult your plumber if this is something you are not comfortable with doing or if you have a really large leak. But just make sure that you correct all these. Use a bucket in the shower. When you turn the water on and you want the water to start to heat up for your shower, put a bucket under the shower head. Collect that water. Once the water is the right temperature for your shower, you can take that water and use that into your house plants or your outdoor plants or your dog's dish. But it can be used. It doesn't need to be wasted, nor does it need to go down the drain. Many of you are city dwellers. You live in the city and you're paying for your water by the gallon. So if you conserve water, not only are you saving water, you're saving money as well. A lot of folks enjoy their lawns. Unfortunately, lawns don't really do anything other than aesthetics. They don't give you a bunch back. If you remove your lawns and put in a few raised beds, you can grow edible plants that will keep your garden green. Everything will be green, but you can still eat all that. Those raised beds are going to provide food for you and your family. Make sure you use drip irrigation in your beds and for all your other irrigation needs as well. Conserve water. This is the backbone of our lives. I mean, we are sustained on water. We live on water, and we have to have water. So just be very careful on how your usage is and, fix those leaky faucets and those hose bibs and those shower heads and those bathing tubs, what have you, and just fix them all, make sure that they're not dripping water. And as long as you do that, we'll be able to save water and we'll be able to conserve water together because we're all in this together, trust me. And I know all of you can do it. I'm doing it. My family's doing it. My friends are doing it. So just conserve water and do not waste water.